What's up mga kabites? Welcome to the Alley by Vikings BGC at Bonifacio High Street, Taguig. Murang buffet at 1,088 pesos per head. Libre if it's your birthday.
Coffee in 11 po.
Thank you for rating.
No surprise na maraming tao and mahaba yung pila. Sobrang sarap pa.
Okay na po. Thank you.
I actually was overwhelmed sa dami ng food choices. Most of it, di ko na napakita. Lalong-lalo na these cocktails na sobrang unlimited, bottomless, refillable, no extra charges. For the lasingan, mga pre. If you're not into cocktails, may libreng beer din. Potato apple salad and steak, salmon sashimi, and lots of seafood. I made sure nakuha ko lahat ng aking favorites. Especially this.
Oyster! Ang creamy. High blood. High blood. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Thank you, birthday boy, sa libre.